Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to build PC.
The greatest technician that's ever lived.
For the first step, we should prepare all the components that need to be installed and all the necessary tools. The component that we be needing is PC chassis, motherboard, RAM, CPU cooler, GPU, CPU, and all the necessary cable. Thermal paste tool we'll be using is Allen key and screwdriver.
For the second step, we need to install the memory, which is RAM, to the motherboard. The RAM need to be suitable for the motherboard. For example, there are several types of RAM, which is DDR3, DDR4, and so on.
The next step is install your processor, which is CPU, and CPU cooler to the motherboard carefully.
The fourth step is we need to install the motherboard set into the chassis. Make sure to align the motherboard holes to the suitable PC.
All that, we should install the storage, which is SSD or HDD, into the storage slot in the chassis. Some PC chassis have special storage mount and some are not. Prepare all the components that need to be installed and all the necessary tools.
For the next step, we need to position and install the power supply carefully into the PC chassis.
Then connect everything from the power supply to all the components. Connect the 4-pin connector from the power supply to the motherboard. The number of the pin connected depends on the motherboard size.
Then we need to install the graphic card or the GPU. Insert the GPU carefully and don't forget about the safety clip at the right side of the PCIe slot.
Furthermore, we need to connect the storage and front panel connector to the motherboard.
For the final step, we need to close the side panel of the chassis and your PC is ready to launch.
Hope you guys enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
The greatest technician that's ever lived.